Okay, so while we know that the markets are indeed patterned, there is a degree of randomness to the markets as well. Now, we'll cover this a little bit further as far as the specific patterns, but just to give an idea, we don't know if the market's going to go into an ABC, or if it's going to extend into a double or extend into a triple. All right, this is why we use other tools to give us a higher probability of success. We use our divergence, we use support and resistance, we use candle patterns, we use trend lines. Okay, these are all things that help give us a probability that a pattern has ended or is beginning. Now, the other thing we need to consider is, just like in our everyday life where we see patterns in our routine, there are events that can take place that would cause us to change our daily routine. Okay, so for example, you go to work at the same time every day, you drive the same route. Okay, that's a pattern. But maybe today your car breaks down. Okay, that's going to cause you to change your routine. You're going to change your pattern. All right, it was something unexpected that came into your life that caused you to change your pattern. It's the same thing in the market. Maybe we have a data event that comes in a lot higher or lower than was expected. Okay, it's going to cause the market to react differently. Okay, maybe you catch a bug. Okay, you get sick for a few days. So you're not able to go to work for 2 or 3 days. That's going to change your routine, change your pattern. Okay, so less significant events would have a shorter term effect. Okay, just as an example, the traffic jam we just talked about. Okay, that could cause you to take a different direction for the day. While more significant events would have a longer term effect. For example, you are the cause of that traffic jam because you were rear-ended by a driver not paying very much attention. You're fine but have a bad case of whiplash that will cause you not to go to work for a month. Now your medium-term routine or pattern has changed. And compare this to an announcement of new monetary policy from a central bank, for example. Okay, so while we had identified a pattern, all of a sudden now the central bank comes out with new monetary policy, surprises the market, and something of that magnitude could change the medium-term trend, the medium-term pattern, the medium-term routine of the market. Okay, the markets, just like us, have a routine that gives us a high probability to trade. However, there are events that can come into the market and change that routine. The significance of the event will determine just how much and for how long. So there's the answer. Yes, the markets are patterned, and yes, there is a degree of randomness. Okay, so everything is a probability. We don't know what's going to come into the market that's going to affect it for the day. And that's why we manage our risk, why we understand that everything is a probability. But we also know that there is enough of a routine in the market to give us high probability opportunities from day to day.